Hello. So we are right now at some Chinese temple in the Genting Island of Malaysia. It is the Chin. What is the name of the temple?
Jinfi.
Chin Si Temple. I don't know I'm the correct pronunciation. I'm so sorry for that. But this is the view from here. You can see the fog and the island things from here. Highland thing from here. So just see the beauty. So amazing. And you'll really feel peace. There is one cute Buddha temple, and you have an option from coming here from the sky cable. And then this is the temple. Oh, there is one staircase. You can go inside up from there till there, and you can enjoy the view from here also. Then this is a, I think this is the whole map given here, and then there is this passage to go inside. Then there is some one Buddha statue inside, and then they take you to the whole chamber where if you go out and like after our death there is journey of enlightenment. So after your death, like if we have done like sare bure karam and all those stuff, or like all the bad evils if we have done on the earth, we'll go to the hell. And then there are different chambers that depicts like how you will be treated in the hell. But there was also like if you do the good deeds on the earth, you'll go to the heaven. And then there you'll have those rajas treatment all those stuff. And then after seeing that whole enlightenment journey, and there was one beautiful picture spot which comes with this mandir and this temple. I'll some post for your reference. I've made some few and click some videos there. And then from here you come out, and then there is a passage. But just see the view. It's too good, guys. Definitely visit. Like if you're visiting Genting Highland, this is a must visit like Chinese temple. After you can first visit Batu Caves, and then you can come here. Thank you.